In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to replace your wiper blades on your BMW F30, F32, F36, F80, yeah. This should be an easy replacement, but there are some tricks, and I'm gonna show you how to replace the wipers like I said. We have in here the new blades. Yeah, don't take this type of blades as a reference, because might different on your car. You have to order the blades that fit your car, but the replacing process is the same. In order to replace the blades, we have to first put the wipers into service mode, because you cannot lift the arms because it's going to hit into the hook. In order to put the wipers into service mode, you have to go inside your car. Just a second. Ignition on. Take the ignition back off. Hold the wiper lever up. One pass, second pass. You can now release the lever. We will notice from the start that we have a longer blade on the driver's side and a shorter blade on the passenger side. The same in this package, yeah. And in order to remove the blade, you have to lift the arm, and very careful, because this is plain metal, yeah. And if you drop this, the spring will slam the arm into your windshield, and it can cause damage. In order to remove the blade now, you have to press these tabs here underneath on both sides. Hey, focus, yeah. Press, and that's about it. Okay, take the new one and do the reverse method, the reverse order for sure. On top first, see? On top, and click into place. Yeah, like this. And it's done. We are going to repeat the process, and we are good to go. With both blades replaced, we have to put the wipers in the normal position. Once again, the same method. Ignition, take the ignition off, hold the wipers lever pressed, release, and job done. If you find this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.